How to make weed killer from household items. Have you ever worked to cultivate a beautiful lawn or a vibrant vegetable garden only to grow frustrated by the weeds? Weeds can choke out other plants by taking nutrients from the soil, and they can ruin the appearance of your yard or garden. Many people avoid commercial weed killers because they contain harsh chemicals. If you don't want to risk exposing yourself or your family to these chemicals, you can use gentle, household products to make your own weed killer. By mixing your own homemade solution, you'll save money as well. Things you will need: vinegar, salt, dish detergent, spray bottle. Purchase a spray bottle or canister from a hardware store. If you want to save money, reuse a spray bottle that you've used for other purposes: glass cleaner bottles, shower spray bottles. If you reuse another bottle, make sure you clean it thoroughly first so it does not have any leftover residue from the previous contents. Mix the following contents together: 1/2 gallon of vinegar, 1/2 cup salt and 2 teaspoons of dish detergent. Make sure you use plain white vinegar and a gentle dish soap such as Ivory. Stir the mixture rapidly until the salt is dissolved. Pour the mixture into the spray or a spray bottle. If you use a small spray bottle, you might want to use a funnel when filling it with the mixed solution. Spray weeds directly, but be careful not to spray plants that you want to keep, as this mixture will kill weeds and plants alike. Tips: warnings. You might have plants that you want to preserve, and the weeds are too close to them to use the weed-killing solution. In this case, you should pull these weeds by hand,